Welcome to use the Veinasa weather station. Place the components in turn, namely rain sensor, wind speed sensor, wind direction sensor, data logger, air temperature and humidity atmospheric pressure sensor, sensor data line, weather station brackets, solar panel. Start the installation of the weather station. Open the lower section of the tripod and tighten the fixing screws. Install the wind speed sensor. Unscrew the screw and install and fix the sensor. Install the wind direction sensor. Unscrew the screw on the metal disc. Similar to the installation of the wind speed sensor, and fix the wind direction sensor on the cross arm of the pole. Now start connecting the cross arm. Unscrew the fixing screw of the cross arm and fix it to the top of the bracket. Tighten the screws. Now start the combination of brackets. Unscrew the fixing screws on the bracket. Insert the upper part of bracket into the joint, and fix it with the screw that has just been unscrewed. Plug in the data line of the wind speed and wind direction sensor and fix it with a cable tie. Install the temperature and humidity air pressure sensor. Unscrew the screw of the louver mounting plate and fix the sensor on the mounting plate. Fix this mounting plate on the pole. Insert the sensor data cable into the sensor and use a cable tie to organize and fix data cable. The rain bucket is placed near the bracket of the weather station, and it can be fixed with screws on the ground. Adjust the solar panel to tilt about 45 degrees to the ground. Fix it on the weather station bracket with a loop screw. Using the matching compass, the solar panel is roughly facing the south. Start to install the collector and fix it on the weather station bracket with the matching screws. Insert the data lines of each sensor into the corresponding ports of the collector. Install the GPRS data transmission module. The antenna is magnetic and can be absorbed outside the middle box. Connect the RS485 data cable and close the door. Finish the wires and fix them with ties. Organize installation tools. Double-click to open the installed software. Real-time data is directly displayed as soon as entering the main interface. Introduction of menu bar, management, data, window, tool, help. Set the time interval. When you select the time download, you can download the data automatically, or you can click the download directly. Switch to the historical data interface. Set the time interval. When you select the time download, you can download data or you can click the download directly. Data query. Select device. Select data type. Set time interval. Click Query. Here you can also export Excel table. Data statistics function. The data can be calculated by year, month or day respectively. The equipment section is on the left, which can manage multiple devices at the same time and can support up to 128 unit devices work simultaneously. Then a brief introduction to the use of the cloud data platform. After logging in, you can see real-time data on the homepage, and the data is updated every minute. GIS data display. It displays data on the map so that you can know the data information of multiple devices installed. If you want to query and download the historical data, select the device you need to query firstly, then set the time zone and the data interval time. If you need to download the data, please click Export the downloaded data in the form of Excel. If you want to query and download data chart, select the device you need to query firstly, then set the time zone and the data interval time. You can switch the line chart and bar chart by clicking the icon.